You know that little gadget that could make a huge difference in a tricky situation? Well, guess what? We've got you covered. Today we're counting down the top survival gadgets every camper should have in their pack. So let's get ready, set, camp. No more scrambling around to find the right tool. You'll have it all right there at your fingertips with the Leatherman Sidekick. Think of it as a toolbox you can carry in your pocket. The Sidekick has 14 different tools all packed into one neat little package. It's got knives, pliers, screwdrivers, wire cutters, and even a saw. Plus, it's made with stainless steel and comes with a nylon sheath for easy carrying. Most of the tools can swing out from the side, so you can open them with just one hand, which is super handy if you're already holding something else. For just $70, the Leatherman Sidekick is a great way to be prepared for anything the campsite throws your way. You have a favorite pocket knife that you carry? Let us know in the comments. Now, sometimes a regular pocket knife just won't cut it, and that's why you'll need a fixed blade knife like the Weyland Tracker Knife. This serious piece of gear is built for tackling tough jobs in the wilderness. The Tracker Knife has a full-tang blade made from high-carbon steel. That means it's strong, durable, and can hold a sharp edge for a long time. And besides the durability, the blade is also 6 inches long, which is plenty of length for chopping wood, clearing brush, or even dressing game. Priced at $75, it's a really versatile and reliable tool that'll quickly become your go-to choice for all your outdoor adventures. Get ready for adventure with the EST Camp Axe and Folding Shovel, the ultimate multi-tool for off-roading, camping, survivalists, and emergencies. This heavy-duty compact tool is a 20-in-1 powerhouse, made from durable aluminum and a sleek black finish. This gear folds up nice and compact for easy storage in your car or truck, but unfolds into a full-size shovel, perfect for digging, clearing brush, or even building a fire pit. And it also includes an axe head for chopping. So if you're looking for a versatile and durable tool to take on your next camping adventure, for just $160, this camp axe and folding shovel is definitely worth checking out. So we've talked about pliers and shovels, but what if you need a tool that has a little bit of everything? That's where the NexTool Flagship Pro Multitool comes in. This handy gadget, priced at just $45, pretty much has everything you need. It's got pliers for grabbing and twisting, a sharp knife for cutting food and branches, full-size scissors that are actually big enough to be useful, a saw, screwdrivers, a can opener, and even a bottle opener. So if you're looking for a multi-tool that can do it all, the NexTool Flagship Pro is a great option to consider. Staying hydrated is absolutely crucial when you're out camping. But what if you run out of clean drinking water? That's where the LifeStraw water filter comes in. This handy little straw is a lifesaver when you're out in the wilderness. It can turn murky, contaminated water into clean, drinkable water. The LifeStraw removes 99.99% of bacteria and parasites, and even filters out microplastics. Here's how it works. You simply stick the LifeStraw into a source of water, like a lake, a stream, or even a puddle, and just start sucking through the straw. The water is then filtered through the straw as you drink it. Yep, it's that easy. And for just $20, the LifeStraw personal water filter is a small investment that can make a huge difference on your next camping or hiking trip. Stay connected no matter where you are with the Garmin inReach Messenger, the ultimate handheld satellite communicator for global two-way messaging. This small, robust, and lightweight device allows you to send and receive two-way text messages, even in areas without cellular coverage. With an active satellite subscription, you can easily write back and forth with friends directly via the Garmin Messenger app. And in case of an emergency, The inReach messenger allows you to share your GPS location and trigger an interactive SOS, which is monitored 24/7 by Garmin's Center for Emergency Assistance. The price for this bad boy starts around $250. And if you're a serious adventurer who values safety and peace of mind, the inReach messenger is a valuable tool to have on hand. Sometimes you just need a good old-fashioned pocket knife. And this Atomic Bear knife is a great option for those who are looking for a versatile and affordable knife for everyday use. This knife features a 3-inch hardened high-carbon steel blade that comes sharp right out of the box. It also has a partially serrated edge, which is great for cutting rope or nylon. The handle is made from molded G10, which is grippy and comfortable to hold. But the Atomic Bear pocket knife is more than just a cutting tool. It also features a built-in seatbelt cutter and glass breaker. This tool can be a lifesaver in an emergency situation. And you can get your hands on this for about $20. So if you're looking for a good all-around budget pocket knife, definitely check out the Atomic Bear. Ever been fumbling around in the dark at the campsite? Trying to find firewood or set up your tent after a late arrival, or maybe you just need to check on something in the distance? Then you definitely gotta check out the NEBO Luxtreme flashlight. This is not your average wimpy flashlight. It's a rechargeable spotlight that can beam up to half a mile away. That's like shining a light all the way across a football field. It's made with tough aircraft-grade aluminum so it can take a beating. And it's also waterproof, so you don't need to worry about getting a little rain or mist on it. And priced at just $95, it's a must-have for any camper looking for a reliable and powerful light source. Scrapes, cuts, and blisters. These little bumps in the road are all part of the adventure. But being prepared for them can make a big difference. And you can do that by getting the RHINO RESCUE Small First Aid Kit. It's packed with everything you need to treat minor injuries, from adhesive bandages and antiseptic wipes to pain relievers and ointments. But here's the cool part. This isn't just a first aid kit. The RHINO RESCUE Kit also includes some essential survival tools too, like a survival bracelet and a saber card. These can be helpful for unexpected situations, like needing to build a fire or signaling for help. Don't compromise on safety and preparedness. For just $40, the RHINO RESCUE First Aid Kit is definitely worth checking out. Swinging between trees under the clear night sky. Sounds pretty dreamy, right? But if you're new to hammock camping, you might be wondering how exactly you hang that hammock up. That's why you need the Wise Owl Outfitters hammock straps. Made from premium polyester with strong reinforced stitching, these straps are built to last a lifetime. They work with all types of hammocks, whether double or single, making them a must-have addition to your gear. The set includes two 10-foot long straps with 38 loops and carabiners to easily adjust the height and comfort level of your hammock. And these straps are not just for hanging your hammock. They can also be a crucial part of your survival gear, offering you convenience, durability, and versatility in the wild. And that's a wrap on our look at some essential survival gadgets every camper should consider. Remember, being prepared is key to having a safe and enjoyable camping trip. These are just a few ideas to get you started, and there are tons of other great survival gadgets out there to explore. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more camping gear content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next adventure.